foundation that I currently use. I currently use this what's it called? Maybelline Fit Me something. Yeah, the Maybelline Fit Me matte polish foundation. That's what I currently use. Oh, what's up? And it's quite dark. So this is how me I apply foundation. I'm a mommy. I'm a nursing mommy. Just to even out my own skin tone. I don't really have any skin issues like that on my face, so I only use it to even out my skin tone. So I only need, if I apply it and I see that I don't have any smile line, yeah, fine lines on my face, I will just leave it and not get the black couple anymore. But if I apply it, I go out and I see that I have the fine lines coming out, try and get another kind of foundation. This is how I apply foundation. That's very bad though, but my dear, no time. Because I also realized that the reason why I always look out for things that are effective is because of the stage of my life that I'm in. I barely have the time to stay long on getting ready and stuff. I don't really have the time, so I need something that works. I need something that works. That's why if I find anything that works, I'm always very happy to plug my folks in, you know. I don't have the time. So for my shower routine, I realized that the Q&A works for me. For my shower routine, I mean, why not? I'll stick to it, and that's what I intend to continue using. It works for me. I mean, it tackles all my skin issues, if at all I have any. And that's it. That's why I also need a powder that works. Please, if you have any suggestion of a powder that works, that in fact, if I don't use a foundation, I use the powder, my face is gonna be popping, please plug me in. Plug your girl in, please. That's the stage that I am at right now. Okay, so that's me done with my foundation. We're done. I'll just use this one to take out anything. The only thing I also applied on my face is sunscreen, the one I got from Boots, and it has niacinamide inside of it, so it will do the job of sunscreen and also do the job of skincare. This lip balm, I got them off Temu. At the moment, I currently use the N07 face powder. That's what I currently use. But I feel like there would be something better. The other powder that I have is the elf powder, but it has a little bit of glitter in it, and I really hate it when I have a product on my face and it's shiny. If you will be powder, be powder. If you would be glow, be glow. So yeah, but my daughter broke it. She broke, this is the powder, and my daughter broke it. See, still a lot inside, but she broke it. Okay, it's called matte bronzing powder caramel, suitable for sensitive skin. So she broke it though, and I've been keeping it inside this Shein box. Chronicles of a mother that has a daughter that loves to put serene on her face because she sees her mommy doing it. But now she has stopped all that. It's just that the deed has been done. I feel like this powder is actually very decent, but the fact that it's broken is irritating me. It's irritating me. That's all. No more, no less. Let's go to Fuji garbage. Chicken now. So, in order to bring some color to my face, why are you smiling, madam? I'll just do contour and blush and eyebrow. Sticky now. And I use this. What brand is this? BH Cosmetics. Yes, it's a BH Cosmetics product, and I got it from Superdrug. Like when safe. Ha. Anyway, I got it last year, and they said 24 months after you should throw it away if you've not finished using it in 24 months. And it doesn't look like something I'll finish using in 24 months. So I don't even know how to apply makeup again. Hey. This is the Real Techniques brush. I've had it for about maybe 4 years. That's why I want to invest in another one. Hey, come on. So as I was saying, now I've been focusing on things that are effective for me. Just be effective, I will use you. Effective and get me to where I'm going on time, I shall use you. But if you're not effective and you're not taking me to where I'm going, I'm dropping you. So this makeup is just for me to test it out, and by the time I get to the shop, if I feel like it's doing the job, I won't bother wasting my money on powder. But if I get to the shop and I'm already seeing smell lines, I'm going to buy another powder. So you guys will be like my accountability partner. In case I come back home and I'm doing, let's do an unboxing, just fast forward, look away, don't bother watching, because that would mean that I have done what I'm not supposed to do. Yeah. And then I have this product from Revolution. It's a brow something. It's basically to just lighten your brow. Yeah, if it's too dark, this will just lighten it. So I just like to use it here and a little bit on my eyebrows, because I am all about soft makeup. I just like to enhance what I have, not make another personality out of my face, if you get what I mean. So come on. I said I wasn't going to use mascara. Let's use mascara. These are from elf. One is a lash extender and the other one is an actual mascara. So this lash extender, I'll just use it to like pick out all the tiny ones that I have, but it's a brown colored. Okay, look at this one. See? But see what this is already doing. That's what it does. One again. Yeah. I have this blue pencil. that I've never used in my, I got it from Primark. No need, don't let me use it. Yeah, don't let me use it. I'd rather use something else, like another product, rather than use that one. Yeah, why I don't like shimmer anymore. But let's just oomph this makeup. By fixing something on the inner tear duct. Before I'll be going out now, somebody will go and ask me, oh dear, are you going for a party? I remember sometime last year I was going to church, and then no, we had finished from church. We finished from church that day, and I think I wanted to buy something at the shop, so we stopped by, and I had red lipstick on, and that was the only oomph on my makeup that day. So this lady said, are you going for a party? I'm like, hey, it's like I have overdressed you. And I was just wearing a black chiffon top, a black pants, and I think a beige shoe or something like that, and I had red lippy on. Since that day, I'm like, oh my sister, let's be guided, you. Yeah. Okay. I'll just blend it out. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm good. So let's just do this eyeliner jackons that somebody can put here. Just to extend my waterline. That's it. A little bit of difference. I'm just saying that has a name there. Okay, we're almost done. Almost done. As we are not going for any events, right? Let's just stick to this pink lippy. But before that, yes, let me use this regular Davis eye pencil. I think this thing is gonna give me some lines, yeah. That's it. This lipstick, this lip color, lip gloss, lip lacquer is from Health. It's just a soft pink color that I really like. We're almost there. And then I got this gloss over lip gloss from, what is this place called? Poundland, for £1. If you know, if you don't know before, now you know. I usually like to use the back of my brush to apply lip gloss so that it doesn't take away the products that I've applied there before. I like this lip color, this lip combo. It's so natural. I've not worn it in a long time. And that's me done. Yeah. Do I look pretty? Look at where we started from and look at where we're ending the case. Like, what's this? Okay. So to seal it all up, I had this Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup something. I don't know makeup again, but I have this Maybelline thing that I want to use to lock everything in. But before that, I'll go again to rub over my face. And then try to see if it's in the mist place or is in the spitting. It's spitting. Okay. Cool. Let's try it now. Okay. Have you seen a dark chocolate girl today? If you've not, this is the one you're saying. Eee. Okay, let's go. Before all the shops will close, or before everywhere will become dark, or before it's gonna be closing time, and all this makeup, we now get to the city center. Okay, I'm not going to use this soap pro. Yeah, I'm not gonna use it. I could just put something here. So I changed my mind. I decided that I will go for this my bob bone straight hair. So which of these would suit my outfits? I'll do this one here. I'll use this one. So normally what I do, I'll put it underneath first. Oh, and then I'll I don't know, I look like I'll just use this one. Thankfully I've laid my edges because I'm going to wear it as a half wig, yeah, something like that. So yeah, that's that. And then I'll just give this a quick brush. Oh, thank God for the people that invented bone straight, honestly speaking. My friend sells wigs at Hair by Deals on Instagram. I think this is better. So that's how they do it. Oh God of heaven. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is more decent. Yeah. Click it. And I'm not Gen Z. I'm actually a millennial. I'm not Gen Z. But it's all good. I said I was going to come back to check if my makeup would stand the test of time, and I think it actually did. Before now, if it was the other foundation, foundation and powder, my smile line would have been deeper than this, but this is all I've got. So yeah, but at the same time I got a face powder. I got is it Revolution? Yeah, I got a face powder that says matte face powder, and I got a fresh set of makeup brushes, and the baby changed it for me outside, so I had to put that in the carrier, and this was how I brought her home. And we bought an empty stroller basically back to the house. So yeah, we're just going to go and continue to have fun. It's happening at the city center, like everywhere is decorated now. Things are looking, you know, bubbly, and I'm excited about that. So tomorrow night should be fun filled, because I think we would have to go for the event of lighting up Paisley and stuff. Yeah, so catch you. Ciao.